hard-boiled eggs. Convenient and pretty easy to make, right? How about we keep them easy to make, but make them 4 different ways? Here are 4 unconventional methods to making hard-boiled eggs even easier, or the same, or something like that. We'll start with the electric kettle method. If you don't have one of these, you can buy one nowadays for like 10 bucks, and it's worth it just for hard-boiled eggs. All you do is add your eggs in, however many you want or that you can fit, pour in some water so it sits around an inch over your eggs, and turn your kettle on. Once it comes to a boil, close your lid and let the eggs sit for 10 to 12 minutes. Pour your water out, toss them in some ice water after that. The slow cooker method. This way is great for making them in bulk, especially if you're making deviled eggs. Fill your slow cooker up with as many eggs as you want, add in enough water to cover your eggs, and sprinkle in some salt. Turn that on high and you'll be good to go in 2.5 hours. Follow with an ice bath. The microwave method. No, your microwave isn't gonna blow up, your eggs aren't gonna explode, but you do need to throw them in a microwave-safe bowl with enough water to cover them and a little salt. Depending on how powerful your microwave is, you should microwave them for around 5 to 7 minutes. After the bell goes off and your house is still standing, go ahead and throw them in some ice water. The oven method. This method is by far the easiest. You just need one item. One of these muffin or cupcake pans. You could honestly just use a regular pan too. These just help prevent them from rolling around. So unless there's an earthquake or you're really clumsy, you'll be fine. Place your eggs in and put that right into the oven on 325 for 30 minutes. After the oven, put them directly into some ice water for 10 minutes. All these methods should produce an easily peeled hard-boiled egg as long as you let them cool for enough time. Also, little tip here to check if your eggs have gone bad, place them in a bowl filled with cold water. If they float, play basketball with them into the trash can or find a neighbor you hate. No, don't actually do that. If they sink, they're fresh. Now to keep with the trend of getting some more engagement on these videos, since it helps the channel out a ton, here are a couple questions for you guys. What is your favorite way to make hard-boiled eggs? How do you usually peel them? Let me know down below. If you don't like either of those questions, just toss a comment and tell me to ask better questions next time. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Smack that thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you never miss a video. And of course, stay healthy.